Hey, my name is Dan Greeny, and I'm going to walk you through the audio amplification process. First, I'm going to show you how the signal goes through the circuit on paper, and then we're going to build the actual circuit and test it. Come on in. So I have the first part of the circuit drawn here, and as you can see, sound is a vibration of air, and it's going to come in through the microphone through a biasing network. So the sound comes in like that, but then gets biased up to 6 volts. So it's going to look like that. This coupling capacitor will bring it back down to this level, and this is a gain stage. So this is going to increase the signal to look more like that. And then this is another gain stage, and this is a potentiometer. So I can change the amount of gain that the signal is going to receive, so it can look bigger or have a gain of 1, so no gain. And this portion of the circuit will be fed into the audio amplification portion, which you can see right here. It's fed into one of the V's, and this is a summing amplifier right here. So this will sum 3 signals into one signal. So if you have a signal that looks like this and a smaller high frequency one, it will sum these into something that looks like this. And this will go through another coupling capacitor into a clamping network done with diodes. So these require a 0.5 volt forward voltage to operate. So if your signal is greater than 0.5 volts, it will clamp it. So here's 0.5. Negative 0.5. So the signal will stop right here and clamp if it tries to go over, because it will short it to ground either way. So it clamps it right there, but a smaller signal is fine. We do this to protect the audio amplifier, which it's feeding into next. This does a majority of the gain to drive the speaker right here. And the gain is set by this resistor and this capacitor. And this drives the speaker, which will turn the signal, the electrical signal, back into a sound vibration that we can hear. As you can see, we have the built circuit right here on a solderless breadboard, and the whole thing is powered by a 12-volt power brick. We need the negative supply and the positive supply to supply the op amps within the circuit. So real quickly, we'll walk through. Here's the microphone. Feeds through the biasing network into those 2 stages of gain we saw. There's 2 op amps on this one chip. Then it goes into this summing amplifier right here. Comes along, goes into the summing amplifier gain stage, which then feeds into the actual audio amplifier right here. This controls the volume of the circuit. And this is the diode clamping right here. And this is the audio amplifier. And it comes out right here. And now I have a speaker on roughly about like 100 feet of 20 gauge wire, and I'm gonna plug this in. This is the output right here, and plug this one to ground. And so now we'll go follow this wire and see where it goes.
Test, 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 test. Thanks for watching.